Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text decorations, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS text decoration line property along with overline value, underline value, and the line through value. The text decoration line property is used to add a decoration line to text, and every time you should note that you can combine more than one value like overline and underline, even the line through, just to display lines both over and under and through the text. So I'm going to be explaining this for you guys in deep detail so you can understand this. I just remember that I have to show you guys, that's why I come back to this. This is what we got in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS underline and the overline value inside our CSS text decoration line. Right now, let's use another value inside our text decoration line. I'm going to use line through. When I specify line through right here, you are going to see what will happen to our document immediately. Let's see our document and reload. Can you see? Now all our document is having three lines: overline, underline, and the line through. Overline, underline, and the line through. Overline, underline, and the line through. Can you see? This one is having overline, underline, and the line through. So anytime you have to use something, make sure you guys test it before you use it. And if you want, you can use just underline and the line through only. Can you see? Now we are having underline and the line through. And also you can use overline and the line through only, just in case you want it. Can you see? And also you can use line through only. Can you see? And also you can use overline only, overline and underline. Can you see? And you can use underline only. Can you see? Also you can use overline only. Can you see? And also you can use the overline, underline, and the line through. Can you see? So I just purposely think of showing you all this in this manner so you guys can know the tricks behind all this kind of stuff. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.